Starting a business? You need a plan. Clear, concise plans are vital. They guide your business towards success. No plan often means failure. Think of it like building a house. You need blueprints. In business, your plan is that blueprint. Your business plan is a formal document. It outlines your business goals, it describes your products or services, it analyzes your target market and competition. It also includes your financial projections. This plan is crucial for securing funding. Investors need to see a clear path to profitability. Think of your business plan as a static document. It captures a snapshot of your business. It's essential to revisit and update it periodically. The market changes, and your plan should reflect that. A growth strategy outlines how you'll achieve growth. It's different from a business plan. It focuses on specific tactics. These tactics help you achieve your goals. There are many types of growth strategies. Market penetration is one. This means selling more to your existing customers. Another strategy is market development. This involves finding new markets for your products. Product development is another strategy. It focuses on creating new products. Choosing the right strategy depends on your business and market. Actionable steps, the action plan. An action plan breaks down your strategy into actionable steps. It outlines who does what and when. It includes deadlines and resources needed. This plan ensures everyone is on the same page. It helps track progress and make adjustments. An action plan is a dynamic document. It's constantly being updated. As you complete tasks, you add new ones. Regular review of your action plan keeps you on track. It also ensures you're moving towards your goals. Building your growth pyramid. These three documents work together. Think of them as a pyramid. Your business plan is the base. Your growth strategy sits on top of it. Your action plan forms the peak. All three are essential for sustainable growth. Small businesses often neglect planning. Don't be one of them. Take the time to create these documents. They are your roadmap to success. Remember to revisit and update them as your business evolves. With careful planning and execution, you can achieve your business goals.